Hello, welcome to my channel, Alicia, fitness and yoga expert, and time for our regular session in yoga for beginners. My shoulder is completely fine this week, so you can go back and do normal yoga session for all your muscles, full body stretch for beginners right now. Okay, start in stand-up position. Inhale, lift your arms high. As you exhale, pull your shoulders back. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. And two more. Inhale and exhale. Now right arm up, bend to your left. Inhale and exhale. Make sure there's no movement in your hips. You've got lower body, nice and stable position, moving only from your waist up to activate your core muscles, your obliques. Now on your left, inhale and exhale. Nice stretch for your lower back. Great mobility for your spine. And one more. Okay, now your left to your right. Inhale and exhale. And two more. Inhale and exhale. Right arm, bend your elbow, hold the stretch. Remember, it's not towards your head, it's pulling back to keep your elbows as upright as you can. Inhale and exhale. Now your left. Inhale, slowly exhale. Now roll your shoulders. Backward first to feel nice stretch in your chest. Great stretch if you're sitting long hours behind your desk. This is the stretch you should do in every hour you work. Take a break after 60 minutes and just 1 or 2 minutes. Nice stretch. And forward to stretch upper back. Now it works really nice for your upper body, chest, shoulders, and your upper back. And one more. Excellent. I'm going to bring right knee on the floor, hands on your hips. When you make this movement, hips forward, you've got your ankle directly underneath your hip. Inhale, try to stretch your front leg. Exhale, bend your knee. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Okay, now on your left knee, right foot forward. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And relax. On your floor. And now toes tuck under. Inhale. As you exhale, lift your knees, go to the down dog position. Remember, it's all about moving up and back to stretch upper body, stretching your legs. But if your muscles tight, really feel it's not like plank position. You're moving back, head between your arms. Right, to improve the flexibility in your upper lower body, but also build the strength in your core, your arms, chest, shoulders, as well as your wrists. Maybe two more. Inhale and exhale. Now let's walk to the top of your mat. Stay in fold forward position with your knees bent. Reach for your opposite elbow, opposite hand. And now rock your arms side to side. Now work your body, front and back, still knees bent. You've got your abdominal muscles engaged, so try to pull your belly in through the spine, try to bring your rib cage, your chest, towards your thighs. So it's nice stretch for your legs, lower back, glutes, hamstrings, even if your knee bent. But also you're working for stronger core muscles, trying to pull your upper body down and towards your legs. So you can try. Inhale, lift halfway, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And let's roll up. Lift your arms slowly. Just relax. Okay, now if your legs wider, make sure you've got good grip for your feet. Bring your arms to your side. And now just reach. Left and right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left and right side. Again, no movement in your hips, only from your waist up. Good for your spine mobility, for good condition in your lower back, but also improve the strength in your core, especially obliques. That's a tricky part usually to work. Not from this moment. If you stay with me on my channel, you will have nice and strong muscles in your core, as well as your abs and your obliques. Inhale and exhale. Perfect. And relax. Okay. Now, left knee on the floor, right leg straight. Left hand depends. If you're reaching to the floor, you're flexing your hips, shift from the side. So this is your position. Notice this movement, hips back. Place something underneath your hand. Anything really to keep stable, okay? If you've got more flexibility, maybe fingertips, or maybe some of you ready with flat hand, but you're squeezing glutes on your left side to push hip forward, your left hip. So it's no flexion, okay? Because that's the way to work for your obliques, muscles on your left side now. You can hold, inhale, arm up, slowly to your side. If you've got good balance, easy to hold this position, try to challenge more, moving your left foot closer to your right side. Maybe it's in line between your right foot and your left knee. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. Perfect. Let's go back. So you've got your left foot behind your knee. Now I've got right on the floor, left leg straight, and you're checking how is the flexibility on your right side. So it could be yoga block, anything, pillow, book. Just make sure you're going to move. Inhale and exhale. So you're helping yourself, your right leg with your foot behind your knee, or to bring more challenge, you're moving your foot to your left side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 2 more. Easy to lose balance. Inhale and exhale if you're forcing for too much. Perfect. Going to lay down on your back. Cross legs. And this is so important. Maybe you remember from the previous video, but if you're watching first time, make sure you're pressing lower back to the floor, pressing your ribcage down. That's the way to engage your abdominal muscles before you start any movement. To challenge your core more, you can try to stretch your legs. It could be higher or lower. Only if you've got the same alignment for your spine, your lower back, as you start and as you make this movement. Inhale and exhale. Then place your hands on your belly. Make sure you're not pushing out, you're pulling in. Okay, this is the way in. Everything goes in through the spine, down to the floor. Inhale and exhale, maybe 3 more if you can. 3, 2, and 1. Give your legs a good hug, relax your shoulders, relax your neck, and just rock side to side. And now stretch your arms over your head, legs down the floor. Nice, stretch all your muscles, from your fingers to your toes, from your heels to your fingers. And slowly arms by your side. You can just, when you inhale, try to contract and engage all your muscles. As you exhale, let it go. And again, inhale and exhale. And every inhale, try to use less effort, less energy. So you start with 100% muscles, nice and strong, engaged, contract. Next one, drop to 80, 60, 40, 20, and just relax. Inhale, arms up, over your head, feel the stretch in your chest. Slowly exhale. Arms by your side, engage your belly. Again, press down to the floor. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And if you'd like to, you can stay in this position. I will just add the link to nice relaxing music if you'd like to. Or if you prefer to finish right now, just slowly rock and stand up. Inhale, arms up. And slowly exhale. Okay, so thank you for today. I hope you enjoy our yoga for beginners session for nice stretching, full body stretch, but also a little bit of focus for your core area, your abs and your obliques. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Try to share with your friends. Try to encourage them to try something new. And I'm going to see you next week. You've been watching first time, subscribe and click notification bell. Bye for now.